Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's a woman, Angela KOD. Today we are making Fanta with just 2 ingredients. Come with me and let's make this delicious healthy Fanta. When you try this Fanta, you will not buy Fanta again. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Come with me and let's make our own Fanta from just 2 ingredients. Come. For ingredients, guys, we'll be needing our pineapple. Because of time, I've already washed it and peeled it because I really needed this pineapple peels to make my drink. So I peeled the pineapple and carrots. So these are the ingredients, just these 2 ingredients to make delicious Fanta. And then cut our carrots into pieces. Also matching with the carrots because my drink is going to turn us into orange. So you see the carrots. And go ahead and cut our pineapple. Is in my kitchen, so I'm going to use the chaff that I get from the cows to make my soup, stew, or maybe smoothies. And also the pineapple, I can also use it in my smoothies. So I want to separate it so that when I need it this for soup, I don't get pineapple in it. So I want to use this one, then this one will come first. Otherwise, if I'm not going to use the chaff, you can do it together. Let's on our machine. This is the chaff we got from the carrots. You can use it as a carrot cake or in your soup or smoothies, whatever you need carrots for. So we are not going to throw it away. With our pineapple. Look at this thing. Wow. Look at this color. If you serve this to a child, they will never know it was carrots and pineapple. It looks so perfect, and it tastes just like Fanta. This is original homemade Fanta, guys, with just 2 ingredients. Today we are matching with everything. Everything is orange here. Guys, time for us to serve our delicious. This looks so delicious. The first time I tried it, I didn't believe it until I made it myself. So you can also give it a try and you will thank me later. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious 2 ingredients Fanta. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Adios. Kiss, kiss. Mwah.